Hello everyone. So today is my second day of creating this video. In this video you will find whatever mistake I will make, and you have to find my mistake by analyzing what I am saying, how I am saying. I will tell you whatever in this video. So in this video I think I should tell about war of Iran and Israel and America. I think I will speak a lot in this topic. So I don't know each and everything perfectly, but whatever I know I will tell you in this video. So there is the uh, the purpose of creating this video to finding my mistake, not telling truth. Okay, so but I will try to speak truth about Iran and Israel and America, this war. So in this war what is happening? So I think I am able you are able to see how I am looking to you now. I think it's clear, so I should come near to this camera. So the war started. Why the war started of Iran, America and Israel? Iran is alone in this war, and America and Israel both are together. They are together. Uh, they are together fighting with Iran, and many peoples are saying Iran is uh, Russia and China. These countries are helping to Iran by satellite, and Russia is helping by satellite, and China is helping by financial to purchasing their petrol, and what about Israel? Israel is the product of Israel everywhere, like Colgate and many products and many companies spread of Israel. And company, as we know about America, America is a United State, which is powerful, powerful, powerful country in the world. Now that country is also uh, becoming weak because of Iran. Iran has Iran hide many things. They are preparing for this war from long time, and now they are started. But Iran didn't started this war. War started by Israel. Israels are getting support from America, and and Iran is also angry with them, with Israel. Israel is missiling on Palestine and Gaza, on a child. Many childs in Gaza and Palestine. Israel killed them by their by their missiles, and no one was saying in this action, but Iran's prime minister was saying in this action when they was killing to them, and and America is not saying him to him I mean to Israel's prime minister, why you are killing two childs, why you are giving missile on them. And they were silent. They get putty on their eyes. America, they was not saying anything in this war, but Iran's prime minister was saying. Now how it started, America is saying that in Iran there is creating nuclear weapon, which should not create, we should not make in Iran. And also Israel also was saying, but inside why they was saying to the world only, but inside what they was thinking, America's prime minister Donald Trump was thinking that if I kill the prime minister of Iran, then I will I will change the regime of Iran, and Iran country will become unstable and then I can easily handle that country. And I will I don't know, I know, I means I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about Donald Trump. Donald Trump was thinking I will handle the petrols and everything. From that he can get many benefits by petrols when he change the regime, and he keep regime who will help to the America. And like this war was happening, and after they kill, when there was Iran's prime minister went to talking about we should make ceasefire in this war. On that time, after some time, Israel give missile and kill the prime minister of Iran. And then after that, prime minister military is divided into different units, and they get angry with Israel and America. Then they started to firing. They didn't stop. Their regime did not did not get bad. That was stable still, and they was fighting. They was still fighting, and they also stopped the state of Hormuz. They blocked. No one jahaz can pass from the state of Hormuz. If any country's jahaz will go from there, they can blast. Only they give permission to Russia and China. To that country, to those country they give permission. They can pass their ships from there. And what about if we first whatever I am saying, I am not editing this video, I will directly upload. Okay, so I will think and I will speak. So you can also identify what I am thinking and what I will say after that. So it is also good for you. And so after that, they didn't stop to firing, to making war. Iran's didn't stop after death of prime minister of Iran. Then after some time, Iran's was get also another prime minister. He was son of last prime minister, and the people was supporting to them, to Iran's prime minister, Iran's regime. Iran's was saying, and America was saying, I am giving freedom to Iran's country. They are uh, giving, they are atyacharing to atyachar. They are atyachar. What we say to atyachar in English? So you have to tell me whatever, what is meaning of it. So atyachar. So they are saying that they are making atyachar in Iran. So I'm making help to these people, but still that people understand. They are trying, America and Israel trying to making our country as a Gaza and Palestine. They are trying to making unstable our country. So that is why they support their regime, their government, and they are also make production there. So I debate here, and whatever I've whatever I made mistake in this video, so you can find and you can tell me in below the comment, below the this video, which where is comment box. So as I told you, I will not edit this video. I will upload directly, because I'm not creating this video for getting viral. I'm creating this video for making myself. Okay, so nice to meet you. Also, this I am going to finish this video, and so okay, bye. And also there is not more, I cannot more time, I cannot make video more time, because time is not there. And after some time there will be a darkness, because I am creating video in a evening. So bye bye.